There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow.
Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about trading with expert advisors, EAs, testing and optimizing them correctly is key to your success. Today, I'll be showing you how to do exactly that in Metatrader 5. By the end of this video, you'll know the full process for testing and optimizing an EA the right way. So let's get started. Before we dive into optimization, let's quickly talk about testing. You always want to backtest an EA before running it on a live account. This allows you to check how it would have performed in historical market conditions. Open the Strategy Tester by going to View and then Strategy Tester, or by simply pressing Ctrl+R. Here, select your EA from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the symbol you want to test it on. For this example, I'll be using EUR/USD, but you can choose any pair or asset you're working with. Now set your time frame. A good range is 1H or higher for longer-term strategies, but this depends on the type of EA you're testing. Also, select the date range you want to test the EA over. I usually recommend at least a year of data. Now let's talk about the magic of optimization. Optimization helps you find the best input parameters for your EA based on historical data. First, make sure to check the optimization box. Once you've selected this, you'll see new options appear. In this section, you can specify which parameters of your EA you want to optimize. For example, you might want to optimize the lot size, take profit, stop loss, or any custom parameters your EA has. Go to the Inputs tab. Here you'll see all the customizable parameters of your EA. You can decide which ones to optimize by checking the Use in Optimization box. Then, define the range of values for each input and the step size. Now, Metatrader 5 offers different optimization modes. Let me quickly explain the two most common ones. Fast Genetic Algorithm is the most popular option. It uses AI techniques to quickly find optimal settings without testing every possible combination. It's faster but less thorough. If you want more precision and don't mind the time, you can use the Slow Complete algorithm. This method tests every single combination of parameters, but it can take hours or even days depending on your settings. Next, you need to select the optimization criterion. This is how MT5 will determine which set of parameters is the best. You can optimize for the highest profit, the lowest drawdown, or even a custom criterion like the Sharpe ratio. For most users, optimizing for the highest profit or a high profit factor is a good start. Also, don't forget the backtest model. If your EA is highly sensitive to price action, choose every tick based on real ticks for the most accurate results. If it's a less sensitive EA, open prices only might be enough, and much faster. Once you've set everything up, it's time to run the optimization. Hit Start, and MT5 will begin crunching the numbers. This process might take some time, depending on your optimization settings, the range of your parameters, and your computer's processing power. After the optimization is complete, go to the Optimization Results tab. Here, you'll see all the combinations of parameters that were tested, ranked by your chosen optimization criterion. Sort the results to find the best performing set of parameters. Double-click on a result to run a detailed backtest with those settings. Optimization is powerful, but it can sometimes lead to overfitting, which means your EA is too perfectly tuned to past data but might not perform well in live markets. To avoid this, I recommend splitting your data into two periods, one for optimization and one for validation. This ensures your optimized EA can perform well in unseen market conditions. And that's how you test and optimize your expert advisor correctly in Metatrader 5. Testing your EA properly can save you from many headaches in live trading and improve your overall profitability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more trading tutorials. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!